Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. This is a very easy, quick, minimal makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. So today I'm going to be using some new products I received from the company called Merit Cosmetics. It's available at Sephora at the moment, and I think they launched just a few weeks ago. So I was really lucky to get these products from Merit Company. They sent me most of their products except for the highlighter. I think it was out of stock. So Merit Cosmetics are clean makeup at Sephora. They're vegan and cruelty free. They have about 7 products, I believe. Their complexion stick has 20 shades. They do have 5 shades of the cheek color. They have 8 shades of the tinted lip oil. These feel great on the lips, you guys. So this is one of them that I have on right now. They do have your essentials that you need on a daily basis, which is amazing. So if you want to see me how I use these Merit Cosmetics products, just keep on watching. The first thing, I'm gonna prime my skin, and I'm gonna use the Silk Canvas from Tatcha. I don't have any primers from Merit Cosmetics, so I'm gonna use this. This is clean as Sephora as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit like so. I'm gonna rub it in between my fingers, and I'm just gonna press it into my skin. This is a really nice smoothing primer. I really like it. It's just moisturizing if you have dry skin. If you want something clean at Sephora, this is really a nice primer. So I'm gonna be using their Minimalist Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Acro. I really love the packaging, so I'm gonna be using as well their foundation brush. This is the brush number 1. It's a pretty brush. Comes like this. Very, very soft. I like how dense, but still fluffy to push your foundation into your skin. I don't know how much to apply, to be honest, so I'm just gonna draw a little bit here. Just like that. So I'm just gonna do half of my face so I can show you the difference. And I'm gonna use this beautiful brush. I'm gonna blend it. It's actually not a bad match. It's perfect, actually. It's really nice color. So I'm just gonna use the same foundation as my concealer. I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. That looks really, really nice. This is a 1 layer of this foundation, and we have no foundation on this side. It's really, really pretty. I can see it took care of my redness here. Did even up my skin tone. I love the way it sits on my skin. It's not cakey or heavy. I cannot see it. Most of the stick foundations I'm not really crazy about, to be honest, but this one is really, really nice. So far so good. So I'm gonna do this side as well. So I do have a normal to dry skin, but I don't have any texture on my face. I don't have any dry patches either, so it is sitting really nicely on my skin. And I love this brush. It's really nice and very soft on the skin. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes as well. It's covering the dark circles really nicely. So you can use different shades. You can use this one as your concealer, your contour, your foundation. So I don't have any bronzers from this brand. I did not get another shade of this stick. So I'm going to use the Tower 28 bronzer. This is called Gold Coast. And I'm going to be using the same brush, to be honest. So it's really, really nice. So I'm just going to warm up the skin. Before I set my under eyes, I'm going to apply my blush. So the blush I got from Merit is in the shade Mood. It's really a dark, plummy shade. It's really, really nice. It looks so dark, but it's not really dark when you swatch it and blend it. It has that beautiful pink, plummy finish to it. It's a pretty color. It looks really, really dark, but it's not dark when you blend it. So I'm going to apply it on the cheeks. It's such a gorgeous shade, you guys. It's so, so pretty. I really love those shades on the cheeks. It makes you look healthy and glowy. It has a sheen to it as well, so it's not super dry formula. I love this. So far, so good. So excited about this. I don't really need a highlighter today because everything is not super dry or matte, so I really like that. I'm gonna set my under eyes. I just don't have a powder from Merit. I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath under eye setting powder. I'm not gonna set anywhere else, just the under eyes. I'm gonna use this one on my brows. This is the Brow 1980. This is called Volumizing Pomade. This is the spoolie of this product and my shade is brown. Love this spoolie so much because it doesn't pick up so much product. I hate when my brows look so dark and goopy from the product, but this one I feel like it doesn't have a lot of product on it, so I really love that. So I'm just gonna apply this. I'm really loving the bushy brows these days, so I'm not really trimming my brows at all. I do love this style. So this is the Brow 1980, no Brow 1980. That looks really, really nice. I love the brows. So today's mascara is called Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. I love the packaging, you guys. The blue packaging, it's super cute. And the actual mascara, it's even cuter. The packaging is super, super nice, very sleek. I love the actual bristles on this. It's not plastic, which is, plastic is not my favorite. I really love those natural bristles. Try that. This is one eye done. It's really doing the job. It's really pretty. It's not clumpy or anything. Last but not least, I received these lip oils from Merit, and there are two different shades. We have Bel Air and we have Taupe. They look so pretty as well. Look at the packaging. It's super, super cute. I'm gonna be trying the Taupe today. So I'm just gonna line up my lips. Gonna apply the color Taupe on my lips today. Very, very nice color. So this is the doe foot applicator. So these are oils, so they're gonna be very glossy and shiny as well. And they're tinted, so they're not opaque. But look at the color, so gorgeous. I'm gonna take this blush on a fluffy brush, just the tiniest bit. I don't need a lot of it. I'm just gonna place it just in the crease, just for a wash of color. Yeah, that is super, super pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.